So many things these days need assembly. Model airplanes, bookshelves, Humpty Dumpty. Now Golden Tiger makes your life easier. Introducing Mushu Asian Wraps, authentic Chinese pancake wrappers filled with all your favorite Chinese stir-fry recipes. Just heat and serve. Yum! Mushu Asian Wraps are hand-folded, contain no MSG and 0 trans fats. And since they're frozen, you just microwave, pan fry, or deep fry. Wow, that's easy! Serve your Mushu Wraps as appetizers or a grab-and-go snack with a choice of dipping sauces. You'll save time. You'll save labor. You'll make a ton of money. Now you can take on more hobbies. Mushu Wraps can be prepared and menued in a variety of ways. Serve as trendy handheld appetizers or as convenient grab-and-go snacks for profitable on-trend additions to your menu. And Mushu Wraps come in 3 exciting flavors: traditional Mushu chicken, authentic General Tso's chicken, and spicy Mongolian beef. But best of all, they're already put together. Just heat and serve. Mushu Asian Wraps from Golden Tiger. They could be the best thing since sliced bread. Only they're Asian and easier. No assembly required.